7 financial principles. If you can apply in your life, you can actually create millions of dollars of wealth. Number 1 is pay yourself first. Most of the people actually first pay the bills and they never invest in themselves first. That means never invest for the emergencies as well as their financial future. That is the first principle of financial planning, where you pay yourself first. Number 2 is always have a budget. Now, budget is one of the most critical financial planning tool where you can track your income as well as the expenses. While it looks very easy to give that advice, budget gives you the figure-to-figure tracking for yourself, how you can actually track your income and expenses over a period of time. Number 3, living life of lifestyle experience rather than getting into the show off as well as the consumerism. Now, consumerism is one of the biggest evil and it can actually take off the wealth immediately. And if you want to avoid that, you need to make sure that you only spend on the lifestyle experiences rather than spending on your consumerism, that is buying at impulsive level. Now, the next one is getting out of the debt. Now, most of the people always invest in the liabilities. Now, that creates a debt trap for long period of life. Some people take the mortgage for 20 years, 30 years and so on and so forth. Now, if you want to build wealth, you need to get out of this debt trap as fast as possible. If not, it will actually take you and sink you into the more and more debt in future. Number 5 is investing for the long term. Your financial planning cannot be based on your short-term goals. It has to be based on the long-term goals that you have for your lifestyle. For example, the vacation, buying a home, or for your children's marriage and so on and so forth. So are you having a long-term horizon for your investment instrument? Whether it is an equity, non-equity, doesn't matter. But have an investment principle which is for the long term. Number 6 is one of the best advice that most successful investor in the world give. That is, diversify your risk. Don't put all the eggs in one basket. And that is how you can diversify your risk can also protect you from the financial risk that is there in the investment instruments. So if you want to protect your investment, the best principle is to diversify your risk. The last and the most critical principle is whether you are investing in the asset or you are investing in the liabilities. Most of the people end up investing in the liabilities. If you want to invest, you can invest in the asset, and the best asset is to increase your market value. When you increase your market value, your income increases. That gives you the corpus to invest in yourself. So that is the first principle where you can say, when you invest in yourself, your market value increases, your income increases, and you can actually create the wealth for the long term. Which are of these 7 principles that you are applying in your career and in your life today? And which one you are struggling with? Put in the comment below. And if you are still not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get this advice in your inbox very soon. My name is Rakesh Rana. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.